What's up guys, Mitchell of Blaze Off-Road here. Today we will be talking about some products that I am extremely excited about for my 2021 Ford F250. However, I want to mention that some products in this video will get leaked that are not released yet that you can use on your Toyotas. So, I'll also let you infer another product that if we have it for the Super Duty, why wouldn't we have it for the Toyota platform as well, which is obviously our favorite and best-selling products. So, this is Blaze Off-Road's first ever full billet product. Now, let's show you how easy this thing is to install. As you can see, the factory battery tie down is horribly corroded, even though this truck is only a couple years old. Also, as you see, these specific battery terminals are very corroded. So I will be swapping those out with another new product we have that you may or may not see later in this video. Come here, let me tell you a secret real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a different part of an install on this that I'm not really gonna film before we go and put all the cables on. Maybe you'll notice a difference. That might or might not be another product that we have coming. And by the time this video is dropped, you may want to check the website or the links in the description. So the last thing we're gonna do is connect the stuff we need to the rear of the ground terminal. First thing we've got is your negative or ground wire that comes with your Garmin power switch. On this truck, we also have a A/B twin compressor that's wired directly to the battery for main power with one of our Blaze harnesses. So that guy's going to connect to the back. And then lastly, we've got the ground cable included with the kit. So in our case, as you see, we don't have anything on the top post yet. That top bolt, leaving it open for future accessories. Everything else connected super easily right there. And on the side, as you can see, the power switch is already on. Now it's ready to be connected to Bluetooth. You're going to simply press and hold the pair button. It'll flash blue, connect to your phone in a couple seconds, quite literally a couple seconds, and then you're up and running, ready to go. It was a very easy install, went super quick. I would say most people could do the complete install with terminals in under 30 minutes at home by themselves. You need some pretty simple tools for the factory cables to connect the battery terminals. There's some other tools you'll need because you'd probably like to go ahead and put some new cable lugs on those, but no problem at all. It's super easy to do. Shoot us an email. We can walk you through all of that as well. But head over to blazeoffroad.com, grab your battery tie down today. And if you'd like to run a Garmin power switch on either side of this truck, there's obviously two batteries under the hoods of these. Go grab that kit as well, because getting this thing wired up is unbelievably easy compared to some of the alternatives. So whether you have upfitter switches or not, a Garmin power switch is a great option, and you can actually use those upfitter switches as programmable inputs to this guy. So head over to blazeoffroad.com, check this thing out and our other Command Center products today.